Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing into Edge with your Microsoft account so data links across devices. Once signed in, make sure Edge is updated and online. This avoids version conflicts and stalled syncs. Now open Settings, go to Profiles, and tap Sync to start the process. Choose the first items to sync, favorites, and passwords to confirm the system works. These initial steps kick off the secure transfer and establish the baseline state that other devices will mirror. Once done with the basic sign-in, you configure what actually moves between devices. Go into Sync Settings and pick data types: favorites, passwords, extensions, settings, history, and open tabs for continuity. Make sure to enable encryption if you prefer extra security. You may set a sync passphrase, which you must remember. Also verify extension compatibility across platforms so functionality stays consistent. These middle steps control what syncs and protect sensitive items while keeping your browsing experience seamless everywhere. To finish, verify that other devices signed into the same account show the new data. Open favorites, passwords, or a sync tab to confirm. If items are delayed, force a sync or restart Edge to trigger immediate reconciliation. Make sure device clocks and app versions match because mismatches can prevent updates. If problems persist, sign out then sign back in or reset sync data to reinitialize the process. Troubleshooting tip: if sync stalls, toggling sync off and on often resolves conflicts without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.